Good morning. Ek word weer Yeshua, walking in his footprints. Truth versus tradition. Did the Messiah Yeshua really want us to celebrate his birthday? Or was the biggest hype, the biggest thing, your and my salvation, which he came to fulfill, which is indicated through a systematic order that God gives in Leviticus 23, the blueprint of salvation, the roadmap to salvation. The word teaches us in Matthew 1 that the angel visited the Messiah's mother and said to her, "You are to call him Yeshua, which means the salvation of my people. He will be Emmanuel, God with us." The word teaches us that the word was there in the beginning, the word was God, and the word was with God. So in other words, everything came to be through this word. This word walked the earth. This word is the living, walking truth, Torah, which was given to God. When Moshe descended from Mount Sinai, he brought along God's principles of general living, referred to as the Torah. These principles were then rewritten by rabbis. So Yeshua warns against the man-made laws and traditions of the rabbis, not to live by them, but to live in Moses' seat. In other words, to go to Moses and do as Moses was instructed. Because Torah came through Moshe, grace and truth came through Messiah, the Yeshua, who walked this truth. So it's not about the birthday, it's about the salvation. It's about God's love for mankind and humans, so that we will not go astray, so that we will not go to hell, but we will be saved by love and the deed of love, not about the birthday or which day it occurred. He was there from the beginning. This was just mere entry into this world. Nehemiah Gordon, in his book, The Greek Jesus versus the Hebrew Yeshua, warns against these traditions of the Pharisees and how Yeshua warned against it. The Christmas and Easter are man-made laws and traditions, pagan feasts that were transferred to us to accommodate many people by church fathers in the first century after Yeshua. He wants us to celebrate salvation. He is the Word. It reads, I read a scripture from Romans 8 verse 10. However, if the Messiah is in you, then on the one hand, the body is dead because of sin. On the other hand, the Spirit is giving life because God considers us righteous. Ek word weer Yeshua. He is the Word. He was there from the beginning and he is God.